Navigating Rocky Relationships, a guide to understanding and improvement. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard in movies, songs, or even in everyday conversations: rocky relationship. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your English vocabulary but also gives you insight into how relationships are discussed in English-speaking cultures. So, let's get started and unravel the meaning behind this intriguing expression. When we describe a relationship as rocky, we're painting a picture of a relationship that is unstable or filled with difficulties. Imagine walking on a rocky path. It's uneven, challenging, and you might stumble a few times. Similarly, a rocky relationship is one where the people involved face continuous challenges, misunderstandings, or disagreements. This term is not limited to romantic relationships. It can also describe friendships, family relationships, or even professional relationships. The key aspect is the presence of ongoing problems that make the relationship difficult to navigate smoothly. To give you a better understanding, let's go over a few examples. A couple who argues frequently over financial issues or lifestyle choices might be said to have a rocky relationship. Two business partners who can't agree on the direction of their company might also be described as having a rocky relationship. Friends who have had a big argument and find it hard to trust each other again are navigating a rocky phase in their friendship. These examples illustrate how the term can be applied across different types of relationships, highlighting the universality of relationship challenges. Now, let's practice using rocky relationship in a sentence to help you incorporate it into your everyday English. After months of trying to work through their issues, they realized they were in a rocky relationship and needed professional help. Despite their rocky relationship, they're committed to improving their communication and understanding of each other. Notice how the phrase can be used to describe the state of a relationship and also to express hope or the intention to resolve the difficulties. Understanding the term is one thing, but what if you find yourself in a rocky relationship? Here are a few tips. Open communication. Honest and open communication is key to resolving misunderstandings and conflicts. Seek professional help. Sometimes, an external perspective from a counselor or therapist can provide valuable insights and strategies for improvement. Patience and effort. Improving a relationship takes time and effort from all parties involved. Be patient and committed to making positive changes. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, rocky relationship. We hope this video has not only expanded your English vocabulary but also provided you with insights into navigating the complexities of relationships. Remember, every relationship has its ups and downs, but understanding and communication are your best tools for smoothing out the rocky paths. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful English language content. See you in the next video.